Hello everyone, it's Chris with Disney Dynamicks, and today we are going to look into our second month of Walt Life. Let's take a peek. Alright, so it's in its plastic. That's weird. That's better. Alright, we're going to take a look at our second month of Walt Life. That's coming up right now. Alright, so before we dig into this, I wanted to explain a little something about it. So last month, when we did our first Walt box, we weren't completely in love with it, to be honest with you. And this is their Kingdom box, which is a $79 box. So we sent them an email we wanted to cancel, and they sent us an email back and said, "We are so sorry. If you give us another chance, we'll throw something extra in there for you." And so that's what this is. We're going to see if now it's worth it. And I appreciate they responded to our email quickly, and I think they did a very good job about it. So we're gonna give it a completely clear slate, and we're gonna try this again. So if you didn't see the last one, their boxes are always decorated really well. I like them very much. All of the graphics, everything looks great. So when you open this up, holy cow. All right, so this is really full. So this is what you see when you open it up. And so there's a bunch of cute quotes all the time on here, and this is a... Why are there balloons on here? Not sure. But this is a contest that they have, so you can actually take a picture, post it on social media, see how many likes you get, and then they'll pick a random winner for a prize, which is pretty cool. So then in here, oh, look at that, it's even more customized. So it says... Oh, this is their Christmas box already. Holy cow. Merry Christmas, Mary and Chris. And on this side, they've got... I'll put this up on the screen for you so you can check it out. Oh, we're on the... We're gonna have to cut some of this out. Santa's list. So we are on the list, and it says we deserve many Disney surprises in Spring Creek, Nevada. So you can see that up on the screen. And then it says you can cut out this ornament and hang it on your tree. Okay. Get right on that. Alright, so let's take a peek inside here. We begin with paper and stickers. Looks pretty cute though. Alright, so I'll put this cover sheet up on the screen for you so you can see what that is. It has 8 sheets of wrapping paper and 32 stickers. So that's pretty cool. Let's see what we got here. So this is wrapping paper. So it's decently big. And it has some red ones and some black ones. And then it has... Well, these are actually pretty cute. So... It's not what I was expecting. So this is like thin paper. I don't understand how... This is a sticker. So it... Oh wait. Oh, it's like Post-it note. Alright. They're cute though. We'll use them for decorations. So there's some front, you know, the face straight on, and profiles. We've got bow tie, glasses, star glasses, and then a bunch of different hands. Ooh. And more bow ties. Oh, I guess they're all mini. Because unless Mickey's wearing high heels these days, I You never know. So, well, actually, I was wondering because there's big eyelashes. So yeah. So these are all minis. Oh, so some of them are, yeah. I'm getting what it is now. Still don't understand how those are really considered stickers, but it's cute, and we will use them for decorations around here, so that I like. All right, moving on. Oh, the confetti's fun. Red and green, very cute. Now we've got... Share, I'll put this up on the screen for you. Share the magic with your friends, how the glasses work. Look at a very bright light, such as a candle or Christmas light, to reveal magical surprise. Oh, so these are just... I wonder if this... Well, it's not going to work for you guys. Maybe. Nope. Alright, we're going to lose that. Try this again. Alright, so we've got... The next thing is... I'll put this card up on the screen for you. So these are those glasses that you put on and it kind of does like a star filter when you look at different lights. So when you go out to look at Christmas lights and stuff, it makes it look pretty cool. So, that's neat. And they're actually made by Walt Life. Their name is on there. Alright. And we have our first pop. Now, we don't actually collect pop, but this... Mickey is my favorite character, and I really like Christmas, and so if I'm gonna get a pop, it might as well be a Mickey dressed up for Christmas. So this, I actually do like this a lot. Alright, let me, I'm just lost today. Alright, so let me see what's coming up next here. We've got, looks like a toothpick holder. And it is, it's Olaf with a toothpick holder. Take a peek at him. That's pretty cute. And we hold a lot of toothpicks in this house, so that's gonna come in handy. Alright. Next we've got some frozen hot pads. So, and I'm trying to be as chipper as I can about this. Alright. Then we've got some one frozen hand towel. And a frozen oven mitt. Okay, coming up next. So it's an ornament, and I'm gonna say this is Pluto's ugly cousin. Yeah. Alright. Got something wrapped up in here, must be extra special. Oh, this one's cute. I like this. Not that I didn't like the other ones. It is a Pluto ornament that is some kind of crazy car. Disney Racers ornament. I like cars. Alright. I think we're just about out of time. We've got a glitter covered. Oh boy. I'm glitter covered. Mary will actually like this. So, it's a glitter covered Winnie the Pooh silhouette Christmas tree. Oh my gosh, this stuff is everywhere. Oh, see, this is what I was just saying. Look at, there's a toothpick right there. All right, I think that's it. We got one more thing. I can't do this. Oh boy. Buckle down. Drawstring bracelet, frozen Walt Disney. I'll put a... That's great. Alright. And there's the... I got bookmark, color me puzzle, and a thank you card. We're sorry, we want to show you how important you are to us. Nailed it. Alright. Hope you enjoyed this week's box. Somebody should. Have yourselves a great day.